Okay, we're back.
We're back.
We got the rope fish.
Yep, this is part 2.
We redo that. We had to delete some video. We got the rope fish.
Yep,
Make
so
sure it out.
yeah, he's kind of exhausted.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rope fish.
5 of those rope-looking fish. Yeah.
Now, we'll show you reptile. Show you the reptile right there.
Yeah, we already seen that, remember? But this okay. There's the reptile. We haven't showed you another video from so there it is. There's all the fish that we seen last time. But those rope fish, those are new. The cat's still the same. Still the same cat, still here. You know what?
Dog food. Pure dog food. Puppy.
Your dad food.
I love puppies.
Yeah, me too. Go cute that is.
Then we got these ones.
Yeah, that one.
We got that one.
We got that one.
We got these ones
We
right
got the
here.
one up here. We got the one there. Got the one there. Got the one there.
There's a bunch of brand dog foods.
Brown dog, the brand dog foods. Yeah. The shoes. There's no do toys for the dogs.
There's piggy. Look at that. We got this cool piggy thing. Whatever it is.
Yeah, whatever that is. Okay, let's start from here. So we got these ropes.
We got these ropes. We
The
got
ropes.
these.
Yeah.
We got a crocodile. That's the softest thing. Okay, we got the we don't the dog over there.
Yeah.
We got these things.
We got these things. Let's see what this makes. It doesn't make any noise.
It does. You have to squeeze it.
Hold on. That one makes a difference.
Oh,
A ball
of nothing.
of nothing. A ball of nothing. Oh,
Okay.
It's not a ball of nothing. That's a little squeaky. We got these bouncy balls. That's the one that Connor got for free. What he got in trouble for, so I feel bad for him for that.
I made the worst.
Made a worse mistake.
We got an 8-ball.
An 8 ball.
Ball. We got a soccer ball.
Soccer ball, basketball.
Ball. We got
Yeah.
a basketball ball.
A basketball
And
ball.
we got peanut.
Peanut,
Ham.
steak or ham, whatever.
And we got a chicken leg. Chicken leg.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, dang.
More bones, more stuff. It's cool.
That was the best round.
Yeah.
I'm gonna break down the house tonight.
Yeah, no.
Got these, whatever this thing is. Right. Is that what for? Sniffing?
I think so.
It smells nothing. It smells like nothing. It has a picture of a dog nose on it.
If you want spray for your dog or something, come check that out. And
You got these, so you can really put a treat in here.
yeah, you can play with those. All different colors. There's blue, there's pink, black, red,
We got this.
and orange.
Behind here, we got a big, well, that's the safe ball, baseball ball,
Save
basketball ball. We got a football ball, kind of these. We got a tennis ball. We got a bone squeaker thing.
speaker fan.
We got some on top.
And then you got that weird looking thing right here.
We got elephants and normally talking raccoons. I like the
Uh-huh.
raccoon, it's adorable.
Yeah, they're adorable, I think. But yeah. What? Yeah.
Weird.
That is weird. That'd be good for a soundtrack.
What is that?
That's a dog.
What is that? Huge.
Hey guys,
We ran out of storage, so we had to get.
we have to edit it. Sorry, we ran out of storage. Sure don't get anyone. sure we don't get anyone.
Oh, I see its face. Look at that. Got this. I think it's cute. Let's go.
Let's go. We already checked down here. Let's make sure that let's see if there's anything new.
We never checked the top.
No. There's the head. Where's the other one? Right. Okay. I hope we get a. I hope we get a lot of views on this video.
Whole,
Subscribes.
we got a whole,
A whole.
a whole badge, something. First story.
Yeah.
Get that, and
Right.
we're
These.
trying to finale this thing.
There's those.
Where should we go?
There's those.
What's our newest treats?
There's that. There's those what twig things. We got
We
some.
got these two.
Yeah, these.
That. We got this one right here. We got that one there, right there, and then
We got that one.
and
We got a whole bunch of them.
we got these Easter things, even though it's not Easter anymore. We got the carrot, we got the bunny,
Yeah.
classic.
That's it. I love
Yeah,
your
And we
those
got these.
yeah, we get, and those are about it for now.
So now we'll
Now we're gonna look
wrap
at
it up
these.
right here.
About close to about here. Wrap up the video. Make sure.
Okay,
Listen.
we're finished now. Hope you guys.
Hold on, not right now.
Okay.
Wait, what else were we gonna look at? We got dog houses, yeah. Oh, I was gonna think of doing it, showing them something. Wait, well, maybe we'll save that for our next video.
We'll save it for the next video. We'll do all of these dog foods.
We already did all those. We already
We'll
did
see if we can
those.
find some new ones.
Yeah, see if we can find some new ones.
So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See
We
you
should save
guys-
the new ones for next time, but so.
See you guys in the
next
next
video.
video. Bye.
Hold on. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah.